Hello, people, welcome back. It's been quite a long time. I didn't vlog last week, and this week I've started quite late because I'm so lazy. I'm still lazy, that's why I thought I would do a food vlog instead of me going outside. So, and though I hate cooking, I'm a person who loves to eat, so I cook food for myself because I know I make tasty food for myself and I'm satisfied with whatever I make. So this is just like a disclaimer. Even if it's going to turn out bad, I'm just saying that it's going to be good. No, it's going to be good. Let's just go with that. Okay. Now it's actually 9 a.m. I have to go make my breakfast. Let's go. And that was breakfast. I made guacamole and scrambled eggs and toasted some bread. It was actually not that great, honestly, but it was alright. The avocado wasn't that good, so yeah. And the croissants were actually good. Like, this was the first time I tried this croissant. It was from different brand, so I actually like this one better than the previous one, like that I was having. And now I'll be making some lunch. I'll be making spinach and walnut pesto pasta. This is a recipe that I found recently on Instagram. I was like, this is something I would really like to try because pasta is something I love a lot, and spinach not so much. So I was like, I'll just mix these two together, and then see how it's going to come out. So let's give it a try and check how it's going to be. actually good. I mean, I would give 7 out of 10, and I would make it again because it was alright. Like, I just made a little bit salty, but apart from that, it was good. I would make it again. And I'm actually making dosa, you can see. And I'm not gonna show that because come on, it's making dosa. The bigger question is how to make the batter, which I don't know, so we're gonna skip that part. And I'll leave everything in the description box, all the ingredients, not the instructions, because you can do you make it however you want. But I'll just leave all the ingredients in the description box. And thanks for making it to this end of the video, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.